In this tutorial, I will show you a quick tip for Visual Studio C#.NET. Sometimes you don't know which type of variable you are dealing with, so this is a little technique which will help you out in different situations. Imagine you are having a variable. I will call this a variable of type var, and I will call it something called special variable. And let's say this variable is of type string. But since C#.NET provides us the ability to use different data types with help of var keyword. Now if we want to print this on the screen, we will get our desired string on the screen, which will be a name on the screen. However, if I change the data type of this special variable from string to, let's say, a double, so you will be having double printing on the screen, and so on with different other variables. Now sometimes a situation arises where you have to check which type of variable I am dealing with, so you further proceed with the special type of a function which you have created. Let's say a value is coming from a database and you don't know its type. It can be a datetime, it can be a string name, it can be a boolean logical variable, or it can be an integer variable. So how you can utilize a sort of a technique which will help you how you will detect uh, this variable based upon your requirements. So it's really simple. If we go to the properties of this variable, we are having a method here, get type code. I will just print out its value on the screen so you will better know what does it return. So as you can see, the data type here is boolean, so our value here is boolean, and if we change it, so it will be changed from boolean to string. And if we further change it, so we will get a different data type. So how can we utilize this information? Let's say I have different functions which deals with different data types. So for time being, I create a first function with the name of string function, which creates a string variable, and it utilizes this function based upon the data type of this variable. And I have another function which gives us another method for basically Boolean operations. So how you are going to utilize the get type code? So I will use switch statement here, and my purpose is to get the type code of this variable. So let's say in first case I get string. What I'm going to do, I have to call this string function, and I will pass the special variable to this method, and then I will break this special case. Now, second case, if I am having a boolean, so I will call a bool function, and I will convert this variable based upon my requirements, and then I will send it to boolean function. So the boolean function will do whatever sort of routines I write here. So this is a little technique which you can utilize for your unknown data type of variables. These variables can be coming from databases, from internet, from other APIs you are using, and on the runtime you don't know how to deal with variables. So next time when you're having such scenarios, so keep in mind this is a simple way which will save your time in dealing with such scenarios. For any questions, please leave in comment and I will catch you up there. Thank you.